Hi guys, look, I dyed my hair more red, okay? We done it today, okay? My mom dyed it for me this time, okay? I dyed it more. Anyways, I'm on top of a car, see? I'm on top of a car, and the grass is down there, and that's the whole driveway. See the whole driveway and everything? That's the whole driveway, with the vehicles in the driveway. So I thought I'll make me a video of me on the top of a car. And especially my hair too, okay? We'll make it in two. That's what we'll do. Let's come over here. In the middle of the car, on the top. Y'all like being on top of a car? I like to. Some of you might don't, but I do. I think it's fun being on top of my car. Well, not my car, but my mom's old car, see? See, her car's old and everything. Everything is old, okay? It's got junks in it. Oh, it's also got mirrors on it, look. It's got mirrors. It's got 1, 2, but there's one mirror that don't have a mirror. It broke, okay? That's the idea. Okay, but anyways, I'm on top of a car. The top of a car is dirty, okay? It's not been clean forever. It has been dirty for the whole time. Seems like it. But it don't matter because I'm sitting on it. Sitting on those things. Now, the black things on the car, I don't know. Okay? I don't know what the black things are called on the top of a car. Oh, look at the house. Our house is behind me. Okay. Y'all wanna watch me jump down? I'll jump down with you, okay? Let me pull myself up first. Okay. Then we'll jump down. Okay. Get ready, count to 3. I'm gonna say 1, 2, 3, and there. There's the car that it's gotten dirty. It's got bad tires on it. Everything is ruined. Okay. The car don't work no more. It's the same thing on the other side. See? Same thing. It don't have a door handle, see? It don't have a door handle like that one does. Okay, so that car's ruined. So I hope y'all enjoyed me making a video of my hair and being on top of a car. And the car's junky. And we'll see you in a little bit, okay? Thank you for watching me doing that. See you in a little bit, okay? Thanks for watching me. Bye.